Hello, dear friends. Today we will learn about singular and plurals. Let's go.
What are singular nouns?
It is a noun that refers to a single or one thing or object. These nouns always use a singular verb and can be preceded by a and an articles.
Singular means one thing only, so look at this one bright apple here today, friends.
Plural means more than one thing. So these are apples? Yes, when we have many together now. That's right.
So Ethan, look here. We have one apple here, so it is singular. When we add the letter S in the end, that shows more than one, so we have the word apples here. We have one girl here, so the word girl is singular.
And on the other side?
That's right. And on the other side, more than one girl is shown, so the plural of girl is girls.
Oh, it is me. I am one, so I am singular. One boy is singular. Yes, and boys are plural.
Oh, I get it now! So person is singular and persons are plural.
Actor become actors and car become cars. King is singular and kings are plural.
Excellent! You are wonderful students.
Guys, read with me. Shop is singular and shops are plural. Lamp become lamps, cap caps, bat bats, and by adding s in the end, book become books.
If the singular noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x, or z, then we have to add an es at the end of the noun to make it plural. The word class ends in ss, so its plural will have es in the end.
Class become classes.
And box with x in the end become boxes with es in the end.
Wow, cool! The word watch has ch in the end, so we add es to make it plural. So watch becomes watches.
The word fox has x in the end, so we add es and make foxes. The word bus has s, so we add es to make buses. And so glass becomes glasses.
If a word ends with o, we add es in the end. Look here, word mango is singular, and by adding es it becomes mangoes. Plural of potato is potatoes. Now let's see here, word hero ends with o in the end, and so we put es to make more than one hero, it become heroes.
If a noun ends with two vowels, we just add s.
One radio, two radios. Look at all the radios.
Great job, you got it.
Thanks.
The word video has two vowels in the end, e and o, so we add s to make videos. Same goes for the word studio, which has I and o in the end, so we add s to make studios. If the singular noun ends with y and is preceded by a consonant, then ies is added to it in plural form. For example, story becomes stories.
In cherry, the end is y and is preceded by r, which is a consonant, so we add ies to make cherries. Same goes for bunny. Before y we have n, so bunny with ies makes bunnies.
The word jelly has consonant l before y, so we add ies to make jelly.
Oh, I see.
Same goes for baby. B is a consonant before y, so it becomes babies. And kitty becomes kitties.
Cool.
If the singular noun ends with y and is preceded by a vowel, then s is added to it in plural form. For example, day, days.
Here, keys have e before y, and we know e is a vowel. So we change singular key to keys as plural. In toy, o comes before y, so toy becomes toys. In guy, u comes before y, so guy becomes guys, and way becomes ways. Monkey have vowel e before letter y, so it becomes monkeys. Donkey also have e, which is again a vowel before y-keys, so monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys.
If a singular noun ends with f or fe, then the plural form of it will end with ves. For example, knife becomes knives.
Oh, I see!
Exactly, and leaf becomes leaves. Got it!
Word wife ends on fe, so we add ves to make wives. Whereas word shelf ends on f, so ves makes it shelves. Word life goes lives.
Hopefully you have learned a lot about singular and plural. Revise the work and do like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.